heels kiss. Zip up like a zipper, sit down. Remember your zipper, don't open. Close the zipper. High heel, tuck, lift, arms. Drop, 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 drop. Last time, drop, 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 walk, walk, walk. Drop, 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 drop. Last time, drop, 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 walk, walk, walk. Down, 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 down. Walk, walk, arms. Chest up, chest. Lift that chest up. Last time, drop, drop, drop. Walk, 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 hold. We're going to have the music start again. Look at the rib cage. So relax your arms. Suck your belly in. Zip up. Grip the floor. Remember, you have that zipper. Really connect with those muscles. Arms, shoulders come from the heart, from the passion, from lifting the rib cage. So everybody lift your chest up as much as you can. Don't force it, but just do your best. One arm up, shoulder down, other arm up. Palms can be out or in. Either one is fine, but not to the front. Hey, hey, does it look good? No, we need clean lines. Boom. Now, relax your chest. What happened to your arms? They come down. Chest up, arms can open up. Rib cage down, arms fall. Shake it out. So the arms come from lifting here first. And this takes time, and a lot of us have this situation. I do. No, sleep like this, boobs pulling me down. So we have to work against that and try to strengthen those upper back muscles. And it comes from lifting the chest, pulling the shoulders down. Yeah? Combination is drop, 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 walk, 5, 6, 7, or pas de bourrée. Drop, 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 walk, walk, walk. Good. Down, 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 down. Chest up, down, down, down. Walk it. Last time, please. Down, down, down. Drop, drop,